How to jump cut Kapwing. So first go to your project. So for example, this is mine and I want to jump cut. Okay. So if you want to jump cut, so just select the frames where you want to do the jump cut. So for example, this, I want this deers here to jump cut to where only the last one or where they started leaving. I mean, all three of them. Okay. So first I'm going to select this frame here where they're just looking at me. So I want them to start leaving at 1 second. Okay, now you can just click on the video and then click on split here and then choose the frame where they started leaving. Okay, as you can see, all of them started leaving here. So I'll just stop here, click on video, click on split here again, then delete this one part in the middle. Okay, right click, delete, and then you can just connect the both, and then just play it to see. And so you can see, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.